make dinner, guys. We are making dinner. So this is potato, onions, carrots. Then I have chicken breast cuttings. I cut it very, very tiny, as you can see. So this is broccoli. So I'm pouring in spices, garlic powder, seasoning powder, salt, oregano, and paprika powder as well. So I'm going to add olive oil. Yeah. Then I'm going to mix. Let's see if we can mix it well without using hands. But if not, I might just decide to use my hand at the end. Let's see. So guys, I'm done mixing. Then it's time to bake straight to the oven. Here we go. Out from the oven. Hot, 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 hot. Yummy, yummy. So guys, dinner is served. My son said I should add ketchup to his own. Like so. Yummy, yummy. Eat dinner with me, guys. This is delicious dinner. You know, delicious dinner. Not very delicious.